Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Alien token from Alien Finance. Ticker symbol is Alien. This token just got listed on a central exchange. It also just got listed on CoinMarketCap, brand new listings. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, the Alien Finance coin. So Alienfi, this token just got listed on a central exchange called Hotbit. So if you're looking to get this token, all you'd have to do is simply, well, if you don't have a Hotbit account, first of all, I do have a Hotbit referral code down there in the description box. If you're looking to get this token, all you'd have to do is just go right through that Hotbit referral code down there, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section, search Alienfi, which is the ticker symbol on Hotbit. The actual ticker symbol is just Alien, but it has it listed on Hotbit as ticker symbol Alienfi, F-I. Search that in the trade section, and then simply just buy the token. It's that easy. But the cool thing about Hotbit is that you can invest a lot of tokens on Hotbit by putting them into 5 farm pools, lock up, stake them. There's all sorts of different ways that you can earn really high APY on a lot of different tokens on Hotbit. So definitely check out that Hotbit referral code. That's where this token just got listed. It just got listed on the 24th, so that was just yesterday. So brand new listing. And then also maybe around the 23rd or so, it got listed on CoinMarketCap. So I think it's on CoinGecko as well. So their official Twitter is at AlienFiCoin. So you can find information on there. Now they have on CoinMarketCap listed here, their official webpage is alien.fi. They also have their own DEX, their own swap, which you could find at alien.fi/swap. So that's one of their utilities there. This is on the Arbitrum blockchain. Token price today is $1.41. They do have a full white paper that you can find listed on CoinMarketCap, along with 2 Telegrams, a Discord, a Twitter, their Block Explorer, their Arbiscan. All that is available here on CoinMarketCap. So Alienfi is a decentralized exchange built on the Arbitrum chain that provides fast, secure, and low-cost token trading with total transparency and full control over your funds. So Alienfi offers fast, cheap, and secure trading of DeFi assets on the Arbitrum network. Users maintain full control over their assets, while Alienfi eliminates the risk of hacking and theft for them. There's decentralized exchange, games, NFTs integrated into all one platform. Alienfi makes trading DeFi assets easy for users with a sleek and easy-to-use platform. Users can maintain full control over their funds. It's fast, cheap. Alienfi provides a new level of trust and transparency and efficiency to the DeFi market that has never been seen anywhere else. This creates a comfortable and confident environment for new investors. Alienfi takes madness beyond all these things and provides a seamless experience by integrating multiple games and NFTs into the Alienfi DEX. This makes it possible for the users to stake, trade, and farm their tokens on Arbitrum while they play different on-chain games and become a part of the new launches, all at a single place easily without moving their funds and constantly switching between different platforms. If you're in search of an effortless and multi-purpose platform which makes it easy to invest in DeFi markets, Alienfi is your go-to solution. So they offer trading The Alien swap, there's a section on their Git book here that talks about that. So it says it's designed in a simple way. So a quick summary, basically it's a decentralized exchange for ERC20 tokens, offers a simple, secure, and user-friendly environment, incentives liquidity provision by paying a 0.25% fee to liquidity providers on each trade, slippage tolerance feature to set up a maximum price difference you are willing to accept, TX deadline and expert mode to take full control of these swaps, and live price impact to make better decisions. So liquidity, they show you the steps to add liquidity, connect your wallet, yada, yada, yada. You can go over that if you like. There's also staking. So there's Alien Farms and Alien Pools. So the farms, basically quick summary, is increases liquidity on Alienfi. Alien token emissions are distributed to yield farmers as rewards. A higher multiplier means higher Alien token rewards for staking. LP tokens staked in yield farms earn both trading fee rewards and Alien tokens from emissions. Farmers can stake earned Alien tokens in Alienfi staking pool, which will provide even more rewards. Now the pools, with the pools, there's effortless staking experience, take control of your assets, discover the benefits of staking, which include flexibility, harvest or reinvest, APR calculation, decentralized and secure. They have flexible staking pools. They show you how to use those, and they have time lock staking pools that show you how to use those. Now, there's also lending assets on here, so lending, earning, borrowing, all that type of stuff, interest. There's their own launch pad. So the quick summary of the launch pad: empower new projects on the Arbitrum network to launch and list their tokens. Vetted process for projects to provide investor confidence. Alienfi Launchpad provides an opportunity for investors to get in early on projects. Usually a fundraiser event for 12 hours. Fundraising event works on overflow method. There's no minimum or maximum contribution limit, and unspent USDC are returned to the investors. Now the Alien token, let's see if they have allocation on here. Tokenomics, okay, so initial mint 2.8 million, max mint 500 million. There's an emissions block, 115,200 emissions per day. And yeah, then they have NFTs. It looks like there's a free mint, it says too, so check that out as well. They have Alien games, like Alien Raid is an example of one. They have help and support, links and socials on here, all sorts of information. Check it out at alien-2.getbook.io is their official document section, but you can find this token easily on CoinMarketCap. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section, what do you guys think about Alienfi and the Alien token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. Get yourself some free crypto. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.